In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to sew your princess. I already cut my princess pattern, so I want to use my pattern to cut out my fabric. Your princess dart with pad. You need your pad. You have different type of breast pad in the market. You can choose anyone you want. You can buy the ready-made. You can buy the one like this. You can buy of this. Get the length of your breast pad. That is from point to under bust times 2. If your point is at 10 and your under bust is at 14, so the difference between two of them is 4. So that 4 is times 2. You make the length of your breast pad. So you measure 4 inches. You take your pattern to under bust. The under bust for this one is 4 inches times 2 make 8. So here now 4. Here also you measure 4. This is where the 4 inches stops. So you cut out your breast pad from this 4. It should stop at this 4 inches. To make sure you notch where your breast point is, so that you will not miss it with your fabric. Not too much, just a little. Then the side part, the same way. Point, measure 8. So let's measure 8. Here is 4. So measure where 4 stops here. This is where 4 stops. 4 stops here. So right here you measure 4.5. Because you are joining it here, you measure 4 1/4. You can make it 4.5. Anyone you choose to cut. Then you make the shape from here, round shape like this, to the under bust. Shape here to the under bust. Likewise, you notch the breast point just a little bit, not too much, so that you know where the point is. The same thing you do to your fabric. Make sure you notch your breast point, so that when you are sewing it, one will not be up, one will not be down. It will be at the same line. The point will be at the same line. Make sure you notch it just very small. It's very small. Not before you go to the machine. Make sure you gum your bolster part before you join your breast part. Guys, I've gummed my fabric. I've cut out the breast pad, likewise the lining, and I've cut out the back. So let's go to the machine to sew it. Wash it here. Let's go on it. You can choose to gum it, but as at this video, my gum has finished. So press. Open it this way. After open it, you put the hairstay, then gum it. Where you gum it is to allow the breast part to slip. Okay, gum it this way. You do the same to the second side. Like this. You turn it back to the front. Then put the ball to iron it. Want your princess padded blouse or gown to stand very well, you iron this way.